Yo, what's going on guys, I'm Ujan and welcome to another episode of Arty Crafty Sunday. First of all, Merry Christmas to everyone, and today we are going to make a Christmas special DIY. So let's see what we are going to make. So today we are going to make this beautiful Santa Claus toy which actually works when you spin this wheel. So what are we waiting for? Let's make it. So to make it, first I'm going to make a box out of cardboard. So I will take this cardboard sheet and I'm going to cut 6 pieces from it. So I've already cut them before, as you can see, and now we're going to make a box using these pieces. So let's do that. Now before sticking this piece, I'm going to make 3 holes in it. So I've made 3 holes in this piece and now I'm going to stick it. And there we go. I'm going to attach this piece at the end after making the mechanism, and now we are going to make the mechanism. So first I'm going to make a hole on this wall and another hole on the other wall. Now I'm going to take a stick which I've got from an old kite and I'm going to make it go through these 2 holes and check if it's free or not. And it's actually quite free. Now I'm going to take a piece of cardboard and I'm going to draw a circle on it using a compass. And now I will cut the circle using a cutter. Now I will make a hole in the circle right here. And similarly, I've made 2 more pieces. Now I'm going to take the stick, make it go through one of the holes in the walls, and I'm going to make it go through these 3 pieces. And now I'm going to make it go through the other hole in the other wall. Now I'm going to put each of the circle pieces under one hole. Now I will take a small piece of cardboard and I'm going to stick it on this side of the stick. Now here I've made another bigger piece of circle in which I've made 2 holes, one here and one on the center. And I'm going to be sticking this piece on this side of the stick. I'm going to take a small piece of stick and I'm going to attach it with the other hole of the circle and it will work like a handle. Now I will glue all of the pieces in place. I'll break the extra portion of the stick. And while spinning, it should look like this. Now I'm going to take 3 equal sized pieces of sticks and I'm going to make them go through these 3 holes and I'm going to make them get in touch with the circle pieces. Now I'm going to take a piece of boxboard and fold its 2 sides and then it should look like this. And now I'm going to attach it with this stick. Now I'm going to take an old eraser and I'm going to cut a small piece from it and I'm going to stick it with the stick as well. I'm going to do the same for the other 2 pieces. Next I'm going to take a small piece of paper and I'm going to make a roll out of it. Now I will make the stick go through this and I'm going to stick it with the box. So this will keep the stick straight. I will again do the same for the other 2. And then the box should look like this. Hey, so our mechanism is ready and now let's see if this is working. And nice! So now we are going to make the Santa Claus with his sleigh and the deers. So now I'm going to take a piece of boxboard and I'm going to draw Santa Claus with his sleigh and the deers. Okay, so I've drawn all of them and I'm going to color them. To color them, I'm going to be using acrylic colors. Also, I haven't drawn the lead now because we'll be attaching the lead separately. Okay, so now I'm going to cut these. So I've cut all of them, and now we are going to be sticking them with the sticks in our box. And there we go. So now let's test it. And yo, it's working. Nice. Now I'm gonna take this piece and I'm gonna stick it here to complete the box. So let's do that. Okay, so our box is now complete, and now I'm gonna decorate this. Okay, so now I'm going to cover this area with some cotton. Okay, so I've made two changes in it. Firstly, I've attached a white piece of paper on the front, and I've attached a black string with the deers and the Santa, so it will work like a lead. And we are done with this. Now let's test it. Yo, it's looking so beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you truly did, then leave a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what should I make next. You can follow me on my Instagram, link is in the description box. So enjoy your Christmas and goodbye. Merry Christmas.